So when you have a small bathroom like this, and we're talking small, we're talking, what is that? 3.5 feet wide, maybe right there, to, I want to say 6.5 feet total length. So like 24 square feet, maybe just under 24 square feet. Pretty crazy. Yeah, which make it 6x4. Yeah, I know. Anyways, when you first walk in, I had to get a bathroom organizer system here because when you come from a larger bathroom into a small bathroom, door's not staying open, you have to find places to put, and then you have to find out, I'm going to talk to you for a second. Then you got to really decide, what am I keeping? What do I need to keep in order to just get by and live simple? So I took the essentials, you know, you got your medications, Q-tips, razors, any other things, tissues, things like that in this over-the-door organizer. And it comes with these little hooks, which is cool, just comes over the door. It fits several thicknesses of doors, you can tell right there. It's got quite a bit of play up there. So there is quite a bit of weight on this door. I do realize that with that and all this, so I need to really pay attention to that if that starts to get loose. When you come in here, the sink and counter area are very small with one outlet down there. I've kind of utilized this space with a toothbrush. I got my charger here, which I don't need to have this on the counter very often. But I feel like my toothbrush is going out, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. Medicine cabinet, I'm gonna squeeze in here. Hey, what's up? I'll kind of get it out of the way so you can not stare at me. Medicine cabinet, I keep my couple extra toilet paper rolls up on top. Awesome sign for some humor. I have another sign up there for even more humor, because why not? Because that's hilarious and I love it. So thank you, Ashley, for both pictures, by the way. So check it out. So you can tell I've got a couple holes here. So originally that towel holder was here, which to me is a ridiculous place to put it because the towel was just falling in the sink and takes up some of the space on the counter. So I moved it over. I'll have to do something with those holes, but not a priority right now. And as you can tell, with one cabinet down here, you know, I've got some essentials in there too. Stuff, you know, extra stuff, things like that. Lotions, shampoo, extra stuff. Where do you put your towels? Check it out. So this bitchin' towel rack I found on Amazon, which I'll put a link in the description. In fact, all the links to the stuff are in the description. But check this out. It's only about 4.5 inches off the wall. And I think it's about 30 high. Like I said, I'll put the link so you can check it out. But if you roll them up nice, look at that. I'm able to fit 7, maybe 8 towels rolled up in there. I keep the hand towels and wash rags on top, just laying there, because I could just put them in there, but I wanted more towels than I do small hand towels. Trash can. Yeah, you need to have a thin, small trash can. Check out this one. Ashley got me this one as well. This is cool stuff. Check this out. A sweet little thin trash can. I want to say it's about 4.5 inches, maybe 5 inches wide. Little push button. You put this whole thing out. It's super easy to change the bag. You have to finagle the lid a little bit, but overall it's pretty bitchin'. And check out what's in the front. If I can get it open. Got a toilet brush built in, which is cool. And then in the back has an extra little storage spot for bags, for whatever you want to put in there. So just really, really bitchin'. Nice and tucked away. Nothing made to the toilet. It's Dometic. It's porcelain toilet, which I recommend. Super sturdy, and it just better sit on a porcelain toilet. Okay, my favorite modification of all in this bathroom, the curtain rod. When you buy the RV, typically comes with a curtain rod on this track right here, and that's this liner here, and it has little clips and it rolls on this little edge right here. It's got little wheels and it rolls around on this edge, which is great. It works fine. However, when you're in here, you can imagine you don't have a lot of space, right? You're kind of tight in there with your shoulders. You're kind of just tucked in a little bit like this, and it's not fun to take a shower like that. So what I looked around, and you got to be careful because a lot of these curtain rods are not made for RV. They won't go small enough. They start too big, unless you got a bigger RV with a big shower opening, which I don't, obviously. So I got the one that was a little bit smaller, and I'll put that link in the description as well. Got that on Amazon. Super sturdy, gives you an extra, look at the extra space, look at the room. And I think about that in terms of elbow room when you're in a shower, freaking huge. Okay, shower. When you talk about shower, if you have a small bathroom and shower like I do, you don't have a lot of space for things, which means if you've got like a regular shampoo bottle, won't even fit on these edges. So you have to really pay attention to, do you get a shower caddy? Do you get a rack? What do you get, right? So the best thing to do that I've found is get these automatic dispensers. You can put your shampoo and conditioner, soaps, whatever you want to put in here, and put them up high, because you got to remember your elbows are going to be swinging, right? If you're washing, doing whatever, drying off in here, whatever you're doing, you don't want to be hitting those things on the wall. So you want to mount them a little bit higher like this. Same with the razor. This is held on. These are all held on, by the way, with two-sided tape. Now, depending on your texture here, it might not stick very well. So I do a couple dabs of Gorilla Glue on the back of this adhesive, press it on there, and then it should stay. Just give it, like, you know, maybe overnight to cure. And then my last thing was, I was using this, but I was knocking the damn soap off every time I took a shower. You can tell if it's wet in here because I just took a shower. But so what I did is I got a self-adhesive mount, put it on the very top, and of course Dr. Squatch, the best. Wood Barrel Bourbon, the best scent. Sorry, I had to throw a plug in there. The best. Anyways, put that really way up high in the corner, out of the way, so I'm not knocking into that. So, curtain, I utilized the original liner it came with, and then I bought an additional outside curtain to make it look a little bit better. The only problem with that is they're wider. So what I had to do was double up on the clips at the end, and it turned out fine. It's got the little nature scene, little mountains, stuff like that. But that's pretty much it. This thing has two switches. One's a blue light. Not sure why you'd need that, but whatever. But then that's really it. Probably gonna get a max air fan for up there. But anyway, yeah. That's the bathroom mods. So tell me what you maybe like or dislike, or maybe what you did differently in your RV, or what you noticed, like, hey, there's this product that might work better. I would love to know that. I'd love to see that in the comments if you don't mind. And yeah, that's it. All right. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. And I hope to see you in the next video. All right. Don't forget to give back. Love you all. Thanks for watching. See ya.